Hello everyone. Today's topic is opportunistic fungal infection in mycology sections. First we will see the definition of mycology. Branch of medical science that deals with the study of medically important fungi. It is called as a medical mycology. Fungus is derived from a Greek myces, meaning mushroom, a type of edible fungus. Morphological classification of fungi. It is classified into the four form of morphology, that is yeast, yeast-like molds, and dimorphic fungi. Yeast is round to oval cell that reproduce by budding. For example, Cryptococcus neoformans, it is the pathogenic yeast, and Saccharomyces cerevisiae, it is non-pathogenic. Second is yeast-like, yeast forming pseudohyphae. Example is Candida, differentiated from true hyphae as they have a constriction at the septa. Third is mold, it is long branching filaments called hypha. It may be septate or non-septate hypha. Figure shows budding yeast cell, first one. Second is budding yeast with pseudohyphae. Third is aseptate hypha. Fourth is septate hypha. And fifth is mycelium. It is the network of septate hypha. Based on the growth of pattern in culture medium, fungals are their mycelium are classified into the aerial mycelium and vegetative mycelium. Aerial means it is the part of the mycelium. It projects above the surface of the culture medium. And vegetative mycelium, it is the part of the mycelium that grows on the surface of the culture medium. Fourth one, that is the dimorphic fungi. It exists as a molds. Hyphal form in the environment at the ambient temperature 25 degrees centigrade and has yeast in the human tissue at body temperature, that is 37 degrees centigrade. For example, Histoplasma capsulatum, Blastomyces dermatidis, Coccidioides immitis, Paracoccidioides brasiliensis, Penicillium marnefi, and Sporothrix necknecki. Taxonomical classification based on the production of sexual spores. They are classified into the phylum Zygomycota, phylum Ascomycota, phylum Basidiomycota, and phylum Deuteromycota. Phylum Zygomycota has a sexual spores. It is zygospore and possess aseptate hypha. Example is Rhizopus and Mucor. Phylum Ascomycota, it is sexual pore and ascospores, possess septate hypha, for example Aspergillus. Phylum Basidiomycota, sexual spores, basidiospores, example Cryptococcus. Phylum Deuteromycota, sexual state is either absent or unidentified yet. So it is called as a fungi imperfecti. Types of fungal spores: zygospores, observed zygomycetes, ascospores in Aspergillus, basidiospores in Cryptococcus. Asexual spore observed in vegetative asexual hypha, that is arthrospore in Coccidioides trichosporans, blastospores in Candida, chlamydospore in Candida albicans. Aerial asexual spore, that is conidiospore or conidia in Aspergillus, sporangiospore in zygomycete, microconidia in dermatophytes, and macroconidia in dermatophytes. So classification of fungal diseases, they are the superficial mycosis, systemic mycosis, opportunistic mycosis, and mycotoxicosis. Superficial mycosis are Tinea versicolor, agent is Malassezia furfur, Tinea nigra, Horta wernicki, Pedra, Trichosporum belgii, and Pedra horti. Dermatophytosis, Trichophyton, Microsporum, and Epidermophyton. Subcutaneous mycosis, mycetoma, that is Madurella mycetomatis, Pseudoulceria boydii, Sporotrichosis, Sporothrix technici, Chromoblastomycosis is Fialophora pericosa and Fanchosia pedrosi. Rhinosporidiosis, agent is Rhinosporidium siberi. Now systemic mycosis, histoplasmosis, Histoplasma capsulatum, blastomycosis, Blastomyces dermatitidis, coccidioid mycosis, that is Coccidioides immitis, paracoccidioid mycosis, Paracoccidioides brasiliensis. Now opportunistic mycosis, candidiasis, Candida albicans and other Candida species, Cryptococcus, Cryptococcus neoformans, zygomycosis, that is caused by Rhizopus, Nucar and Absidia, aspergillosis caused by Aspergillus flavus, fumigatus and niger, penicilliosis, that is Penicillium magnifi and other Penicillium species, pneumocystis, that is caused by Pneumocystis jirovacid, and mycotoxicosis. So we will see deep in the opportunistic fungal infection, that is opportunistic mycosis. It is caused by fungi, normally a part of a human anatomical flora, for example Candida, or found in a nature and frequently isolated as a laboratory containment, that is a Aspergillus, Rhizopus and Penicillium, causing infection in the presence of opportunistic such as low immunity. Now candidiasis, yeast-like fungus that produces pseudohyphae. Species of Candida, that is Candida albicans, most common and most pathogenic. Other species which can occasionally cause infections such as Candida tropicalis, Glabrata, cruzi, Parapsilosis, dubilerensis, Kafer, Guillermondi and Viswanathi. Pathogenesis worldwide in distribution, most common fungal infection. Predisposing factors are the physiological states. Extremes of age, that is infancy, old age and pregnancy. Low immunity, steroid or immunosuppressive drugs. Post-transplantation, malignancy and HIV infected peoples. Patients on broad-spectrum antibiotics. Others that are diabetes mellitus, febrile neutropenia and zinc or iron deficiency. Virulence factor, that is adhesions, enzymes, aspartyl proteinases, serine proteinases, tissue invasions, toxins, that is the glycoprotein extract of Candida cell wall are pyogenic. Pseudohyphae, presence of pseudohyphae indicated active infections. Phenotypic switching are ability to transfer between three phenotypic forms in the tissue, that is yeast, blastospores, pseudohyphae and true hyphae. Figure shows phenotypic switching of Candida, that is yeast can be converted into pseudohyphae or maybe vice versa, or pseudohyphae may be converted into the hyphae or it may be vice versa. Clinical infections. Mucosal candidiasis, oropharyngeal candidiasis, white adherence, painless patch, vulvovaginitis, pruritus, pain and vaginal discharge, whitish curd-like in severe cases, balanitis and balanoposthitis, esophageal candidiasis. Chronic mucocutaneous candidiasis in infant and children with deficient CMI. Lesion on hair, nail, skin and mucous membrane, usually resistant to treatment. Cutaneous candidiasis, that is intertigo, erythema and pustules in the skin folds, associated with tight-fitting undergarments and sweating. Paronychia and onychomycosis, infection of nail and nail bed. Diaper candidiasis, perianal candidiasis, erosio interdigitalis, blastomycetica, generalized disseminated cutaneous candidiasis. Invasive candidiasis, hematogenous or local spread, urinary tract infections, pulmonary candidiasis, septicemia, arthritis and osteomyelitis, meningitis, ocular keratoconjunctivitis and end ophthalmitis, hepatosplenic candidiasis, disseminated candidiasis and nosocomial candidiasis, that is mainly occurred by Candida glabrata. Allergic candidiasis. Candidate, allergic reaction to the metabolites of Candida, vesicular lesion in the wake space of the hands and other area. Similar dermatophytoid reactions. Other allergic reactions includes gastritis, irritable bowel syndrome and eczema. Lab diagnosis, specimen collection, whitish mucus patches, skin, nail scraping, sputum, urine or blood. Direct microscopy, gram-positive oval budding yeast cell with pseudohyphae. Culture in SDA with antibiotic supplements at 37 degrees centigrade. Grow in bacteriological culture media, that is blood agar, blood culture bottle. It may be conventional or automated. Colonies, as in figure shows, creamy white, smooth and pasty with typical yeasty odor. Species identification test, germ tube test, specific test for identification of Candida albicans. It is also called as a Raynaud-Bruch phenomena. Germ tube, long tube-like projections extending from the yeast cells, differentiated from pseudohyphae as there is no constriction at the origin. Dalmau plateau culture, culture on cornmeal agar. Candida albicans produces thick wall chlamydospores, as in figure shows. Chrome agar differentiate Candida species produce different color colonies. Growth at 45 degrees centigrade, it differentiate Candida albicans. It is grown from Candida dubliensis, does not grow at 45 degrees centigrade. Then carbohydrate assimilation test, carbohydrate fermentation test and molecular methods. Immunodiagnosis, antibody detection by ELISA, latex agglutination test, antibodies against salvol-Menin antigens, antigen detection, salvol-Menin and cytoplasmic antigens, ELISA, enzyme detections are enolase, aspartate proteinase, test for metabolites, that is mannitol, arabinitol. G-test is done for detection of B13D glucan. Treatment, cutaneous candidiasis or oral thrust, topical azole, esophageus and pulvovaginal candidiasis, oral fluconazole or caspofungin, disseminated candidiasis, liposomal amphotericin B or caspofungin, Candida glabrata or cruzi exhibit intrinsic resistance to azoles. Cryptococcus neoformans, species and serotypes. Two species, C. neoformans Gati and 4 serotypes, that is A, B, C, D. Two varieties, Candida neoformans and versus group B and Candida neoformans versus neoformans. Pathogenesis, infection is acquired by inhalation of aerosolized form of Cryptococcus. Immunocompetent individuals, that is defense mechanism limit into the infection, low immunity, pulmonary infections and disseminated through the blood. CNS spread through cross blood-brain barrier, migrate directly across the endothelium or carried inside the acrophages as its organ's house. Virulence factor, that is polysaccharide capsules, antiphagocytic and also inhibit the host local immune response. Its ability to make melanin by enzyme phenyl oxidase. Other enzymes are phospholipase and urease. Risk factor, patients with advanced HIV infection with CD4 T cell counts less than 200 per microliter. Patients with hematological malignancy and transplant recipients, patients on immunosuppressive or steroid therapy. Clinical manifestation in pulmonary cryptococcosis, first and the most common presentation, meningitis, chronic meningitis with headache, fever, sensory and memory loss, cranial nerve paresis and loss of vision due to the optic nerve involvement. Then skin lesions and osteolytic bone lesions are also manifested. Epidemiology, geographical distribution. Cryptococcus neoformans versus group B serotype A strains are found worldwide. Neoformans versus neoformans serotype D strain are restricted to Europe. Gati is confined to tropics. Habitat: neoforman soils contaminated with avian excreta and pigeon dropping. Lab diagnosis: specimen collection, CSF blood or skin scraping. Direct detection method: negative staining by modified India ink stain and nigrosin stain demonstrate the capsule as in figure shows. Gram stain shows gram-positive round budding yeast cells. Other stains: mucicarmine stain, it stained the carminophilic cell wall of neoformans. Mason-Fontana stain, it demonstrates the production of melanin. Alcian blue stain to demonstrate the capsule. Capsule antigen detection from CSF or serum by latex agglutination test. Culture: culture in SDA without antibiotics, blood agar or chocolate agar and incubated at 37 degrees centigrade. Blood inoculated in biphasic blood culture bottles. Colonies are, as in figure shows, mucoid, creamy white and yeast-like. Confirmation of Cryptococcus species by Niger seed agar and bird seed agar. Growth at 37 degrees centigrade. Urease test is positive. Assimilation of inositol and nitrate and mouse pathogenicity test. Treatment: without CNS involvement, fluconazole. HIV infected patients with CNS involvement, induction phase for 2 weeks, amphotericin B and flucytosine. Oral fluconazole therapy till CD4 T cell count raise greater than 200 per microliter for 6 months. Now zygomycosis. Life-threatening infections caused by aseptate fungi belonging to the phylum Zygomycota. Order Mucorales cause mucormycosis. Rhizopus, mucorracimosis, rhizomucorpilus, Lichthemia corymbophyte, Apophysomycosis elegans. Order Entomophthalmares cause entomophthalmomycosis, Basidiobolus ranorum and Conidiobolus coronatum. Pathogenesis of mucormycosis. Spore found ubiquitous in the environment, transmission through inhalation, inoculation or rarely ingestion of spores. Spores are mycelial form which are angio-invasive. Predisposing factors: condition with increased iron load, diabetic ketoacidosis, end-stage renal diseases, iron therapy or dysferrioxamine, defect in phagocytic functions. Clinical manifestation of rhinocerebellar mucormycosis: most common form, that is orbital cellulitis and proptosis of vision and vision loss. Pulmonary mucormycosis in patient with leukemia, cutaneous mucormycosis, gastrointestinal mucormycosis, necrotizing enterocolitis, disseminated mucormycosis in brain and miscellaneous forms. Histopathological staining or methenamine silver staining of tissue biopsies shows broad aseptate hyaline hypha with wide angle branching. Lab diagnosis: culture on SDA at 25 degrees centigrade with white cottony woolly colonies with tube filling growth, that is lead lifters. In some species like Rhizopus, it is salt and paper appearance. LPCB mount, lactophenol cotton blue. As in figure so, it is a broad aseptate hyaline hypha. Sporangiosspore is there and sporangium containing numerous sporangiospores are here. Rhizoids, root-like growth arising from the hypha. Treatment: amphotericin B deoxycholate, drug of choice for all form of mucormycosis. Alternative, that is posaconazole or isavuconazole. Aspergillosis refers to the invasive and allergic disease caused by a hyaline mold named Aspergillus. There are nearly 35 pathogenic and allergic species of Aspergillus, important one being are Aspergillus fumigatus, flavus and niger. Pathogenesis is widely distributed in nature, decaying plants, transmission, inhalation. Risk factor for invasive aspergillosis are glucocorticoid use, profound neutropenia, neutrophil dysfunction, underlying pneumonia, chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases, tuberculosis or sarcoidosis, anti-tumor necrosis factor therapy. Clinical manifestations: pulmonary aspergillosis, most common form, allergic bronchopulmonary aspergillosis, severe bronchial asthma, extrinsic allergic alveolitis, aspergilloma, that is called as a fungal ball, acute angioinvasive pulmonary aspergillosis, chronic cavitary pulmonary aspergillosis. Other forms are invasive sinusitis, chronic granulomatous sinusitis, maxillary fungal ball, allergic fungal sinusitis, cardiac aspergillosis, that is endocarditis and pericarditis, cerebral aspergillosis, that is brain abscess, hemorrhagic infection and meningitis. Ocular aspergillosis, that is keratitis and ophthalmitis, ear infections, otitis externa, cutaneous aspergillosis, nail bed infection, onychomycosis and mycotoxicosis. Lab diagnosis: specimen, sputum and tissue biopsies, direct examination, KOH 10%, mount or histopathological staining of specimen. Narrow septate hyaline hypha with acute angle branching will be seen. Culture on SDA and incubated at 25 degrees centigrade. Species identification is done based on macroscopic and microscopic appearance of colony by LPCB mouth. Figure shows colony morphology of common aspergilli in SDA, Aspergillus fumigatus, flavus and niger. Green one, first one is a Aspergillus fumigatus, second one is a flavus and third one is a niger. Microscopic appearance in LPCB mount: Aspergillus fumigatus, flavus and niger. Aspergillus fumigatus, colonies macroscopic appearance: smoky green color, velvety to powdery, reverse is white. Vesicle is conical shaped, phyllids are arranged in a single row. Conidia arise from upper third of vesicle and conidia are hyaline. Flavus, colonies are yellow, green, velvety, reverse is white. Vesicle is globular shaped, phylid in one or two rows. Conidia arise from entire vesicle and conidia are hyaline. Niger, colonies are black, cottony type, reverse is white. Vesicle is globular shaped, phyllids in two rows. Conidia arise from entire vesicle and conidia are black color. Antigen detections by ELISA: Aspergillus specific, that is galactomannan. Antibody detection useful for chronic invasive infections and aspergilloma where the culture is usually negative. Detection of metabolites B13D-glucan by G-test or mannitol by gas liquid chromatography. Treatment: invasive aspergillosis caused by voriconazole, ABPA by itraconazole treatment, and single aspergilloma treated by surgery. Chronic pulmonary aspergillosis treated by itraconazole or voriconazole, and for prophylaxis posaconazole. Then penicilliosis, clinical significance: penicillium has more than 250 species. Most are found as a saprophyte in the environment. Penicillium marnepi and mycotoxicosis, toxin released by certain species of penicillium such as P. cyclopium, P. varicosum and P. tuberculum. Invasive penicillosis, endophthalmitis, endocarditis, superficial otomycosis, keratitis and onychomycosis, allergic diseases, asthma and allergic pneumonitis. Lab D, Penicillium marnefi, it is the dimorphic fungi. Other Penicillium only as the molds grow easily on SDA at 25 degrees centigrade. Colon is rapid growing, flat with velvety to powdery texture as in figure shows and greenish in color. Microscopic appearance in LPCB mount, hyaline thin septate hypha, conidiophore and its branches are seen, elongated matula, flask-shaped phyalids originate, and chain of conidia, brush border appearance. Penicillium marnefi, thermally dimorphic fungus, renamed as a Talaromyces marnefi, cause opportunistic infection in HIV-infected patients. Epidemiology, epidemic in Southeast Asian countries, including Thailand, Vietnam, India, in Manipur. Pathogenesis, rural area where the bamboo rats are prevalent, no direct rat-to-man transmission. Risk factor, immunocompromised host transmission, inhalation of conidia, mold to yeast conversion occur in the lungs and then the yeast form spreads via blood to reticular endothelium system. Systemic infection cause fever, weight loss, dyspnea, lymphadenopathy and hepatosplenomegaly. Skin lesion, warty lesion mimicking that of molluscum contagiosum. Histopathological staining of tissue sections, skin scraping or blood smear, oval or elliptical yeast cell with central septation in Lab D. Culture, being dimorphic, yeast-like colonies at 37 degrees centigrade, mold form at 25 degrees centigrade. Mold form shows brick red pigment as in figure shows. Treatment, AIDS patient with severe penicillosis, amphotericin B, maintenance therapy with itraconazole for 12 weeks. Mild penicillosis, itraconazole is a drug of choice for 12 weeks. Pneumocystis pneumoniae, taxonomy. Once thought to be a protozoan, now it is classified under fungus based on nucleic acid sequence studies, renamed from P. carini and P. girowasi. Pathogenesis, it exists in a yeast and trophozoid form. In human tissues, both cyst and trophozoid are found. Cyst inhaled, carried to the lungs, transform into the trophozoid stage, induce an inflammatory response. Recruitment of a plasma cells cause frothy exudate filling the alveoli. Plasma cell pneumonia occur. Lab diagnosis, specimens, lung tissue or fluid obtained by bronchoalveolar lavage, bronchoscopy, bronchial lavage or open lung biopsy. Histopathological examinations and gomorrhomethenamine silver staining is the method of choice. Cyst resembles black colored crust ping pong balls against the green background as before shown in figure. PCR assay, detection of 1,3-beta-D glucone in serum. Treatment, cotrimoxazole 14 days in non-HIV patient and 21 days in HIV patients. Recommended drug for primary and secondary prophylaxis in patient with HIV. Now fusariosis. Soil and plant saprophytes found worldwide rarely cause human infections. In immunocompetent individuals, keratitis in contact lens wearers cause onychomycosis. In immunocompromised patients, angioinvasive and cause pulmonary and sinus infections. Neutropenia and hematological malignancies disseminated fusariosis. Figure shows macroconidia, chlamydospores, sickle-shaped macroconidia are here in LPCB mount. Lab diagnosis, human pathogens. F. solani is the most common, followed by Oxysporum and verticilioids. Colony rapid growing cottony, flat spreading white to pink colonies. In LPCB mount, septate hypha bearing round microconidia, sickle-shaped large macroconidia and chlamydospores. Treatment are liposomal amphotericin B, voriconazole or posaconazole, and resistant to many antifungal agents. Now mycotoxicosis. Mycotoxicosis are the disease caused following consumption of food contaminated by toxin liberated by certain fungi. Mycetism is toxic effect produced by eating poisonous flashy fungi, usually different type of mushrooms. Mycotoxins are aflatoxin, fumonisins, trichothecenes, ochratoxins, cyclopiazonic acid, zearalenone. Mushroom feature of common mycetisms of mushroom poisoning, that is ergot alkaloid, coprin poisoning, muscarine, ibetonic acid, mucimol and cyclopeptide. Thank you.